Breaking news today, Siputla Stis Sebokgodi has passed on today, 15 July. Siputla Sebokgodi was born in 1962. He was a South African actor and singer. He was the recipient of two SAFTA awards. He made appearance on Critical Assignment 2004, The Republic 2019, and soapy opera Rhythm City and Scandal. His career in acting began in the early 1990s in the local Sepedi drama Bophelo ke Sempheo, playing the role of Wamanzinga Nkwisheng. He went on to be a series regular in the long-running sitcom Suburb Bliss. In 2005, he was playing the role of Kenneth Mashaba in Generations. In 2015, he made a role of Solomon on ETV soapy Rhythm City. He also appeared on Woman King.